Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best chocolate chip banana bread. Here are all the ingredients that you'll need. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. In a bowl, pour in your sugar and your unsalted room temperature butter. With a wooden spoon, cream together the sugar and butter. Crack in your first egg and mix it till it's thoroughly combined. Now add in your second egg and mix again. Your sugar, butter, and egg mixture should look something like this. Now time for the bananas. Dump your 3 ripe bananas into a bowl. With a fork, mash the bananas until they form a gooey consistency. Add in your milk and your splash of vanilla. Mix it all together. In a large bowl, pour in your flour. Now add in your baking powder and your salt. Mix your dry ingredients together. Now combine your egg, sugar, butter mixture and your banana mixture into the dry ingredients and mix. It should form a light, creamy batter. And now for my favorite part, the chocolate chips. Add as many chocolate chips as you'd like and fold them in. Now grease your pan and don't forget to cover the sides. Pour in your batter and make sure it's even. Now stick the batter in the oven for about 1 hour to 1 hour and 10 minutes. When it forms a golden brown crust and nothing comes out when you stick a toothpick in the middle, take it out of the oven and enjoy. From the Quad, I'm Sanjana Menon. Stay home and stay safe.